place called Velocity in Las Vegas.
Oh, goodness. So that's a 6'2", 465
Well,
horse, right?
technically, it's a 6'2" out of a Silverado.
Oh, okay.
But it's got the Camaro cam for the supercharged motor with the Corvette intake.
Wow. So it's got to be close to the Camaro horsepower, right? 460?
Somewhere in there.
How does it feel in this little tiny Jeep? Oh, it's got to pick it up a little bit. Yes.
I catch one, I do that all the time. Paint on the rest of it's good, it's just that grill shell is funky.
That's amazing.
That is amazing. He's got Dana 60s on that. Did you notice?
He?
Yeah.
I would say that blew the Dana 44s right out.
Sure would. That's badass. Look at this thing. Man. Front tire came up off the ground.
I might have that. I have a 17.
You do?
Yeah, let me take a look. I got a 17.
I'll be a minute.
Is that Dana 60s on there? And the
Dana 44.
Dana 44s, they look like 60s in
water or
front.
anything? We got water in there. Oh, okay.
You got any whiskey?
Yeah, a little bit, no.
That center is a 79 Ford pickup.
Oh, okay, that's why it looks so
The outer's
big.
a 82 Wagoneer.
Oh, I understand. I thought it... That's a nice Jeep.